I turned my SunoGPT, which has 16,000 downloads and over 100,000 chats, into a website, and people are mad at me about it. But are these concerns actually user error, or did I make a boo-boo? Let's find out. So in the website version of SunoGPT, if you don't like a prompt, you can hit the thumbs down, and then you can say what's wrong with it. Sounds bad, man. And then I will see the prompt, and I will see the feedback you gave me. And sometimes it's helpful, other times it's not. So the first one, Post Malone, Saint Tropez, make me a song like this with new words. And this is the prompt they got. Their feedback was, this sounds nothing like any element of any Post Malone song, no matter how many generations I try. And to this user, I apologize. You are correct, and this has been fixed now. Before, the SunoGPT was not doing enough research on individual songs or artists, and I didn't realize that until you sent that feedback. I fixed it, so now it should work a lot better. Let's try it out to make sure. We'll go to the SunoGPT, copy paste the same thing that they said, and we'll go to generate prompt. Now, the SunoGPT says, match the 2019 Hollywood's bleeding pop trap production, 132 BPM melodic sung rap hybrid. Like it goes into a full thing. But now whenever you reference a specific song from an artist, it does a lot of research. So that does mean it takes a little bit longer to create the prompt, but it will do more research. So let's actually copy and paste this into Suno. And let's see if this is closer to Post Malone. But also remember, Suno is a bit of an untamed beast at times. So it's not always my fault, okay? But sometimes it is.
Said I'm richer than ever, whiter than leather. The bank account buzzing and the watch made a treasure. I told her to bring a friend too.
And at the risk of getting a copyright strike, let's listen to it real quick and see if it's close. It's still closer.
Me to keep it 100, so I keep it about it.
And I'm constantly reworking this stuff and even adding in my own prompts for certain types of artists, because there should have been added in there like reverb drenched vocals, and it should have had more lush pads and no guitar, because that song, if it does have guitar, is very minimal and not a core element. So I would not have even included guitar in that prompt. But anyways, it at least researches the song and gets you a much closer result. And now we've got two that gave a link to the SunoGPT. It does not take links, and actually now it will tell you that when you try to do like any type of link, it will let you know I can't listen to links, so I can't analyze that song from a URL. And these next bits of feedback are things that I can't do anything about. They're all Suno, not me. It's not the SunoGPT, it's Suno. Okay. For instance, it says Suno couldn't generate it. Suno cannot take it in. It fails every time I try to generate a song. So let's actually copy and paste this into Suno. It generated. But I have seen this problem and have experienced it myself, especially when pasting in very long prompts. But sometimes I just delete one period or one hyphen, or sometimes I just hit create again and it just works for some reason. I believe it's a Suno bug, not a SunoGPT bug. Okay, and this one is vocal is terrible. Suno won't produce songs every second time I try to create. Oh, we did get the couldn't generate that. That's true. That's true. Let's remove a period and try again. Okay, there might actually be something wrong here. Let me try taking out max mode. I feel like that might be the thing that's messing this up. What is going on here? All right, my bad. There might be something valid here. So you are seeing my process in real time. I had this problem and I go back and forth with Claude Code about what I suspect the problem is, and it gives me its 2 cents, and it gave me back a prompt that is similar, but it's cleaned up some of the things that could be causing the problem, such as words like gang shout and detonates and things like that Suno might see as like dangerous or violent or whatever. And it's also taken out most of the hyphens and just weird phrasing. So now we're going to paste this here. There we go. It worked. Now I have Claude Code right now working on the website in real time so that it will do better with that. SunoGPT is my baby. I've raised it since birth. The feedback thing is there for a reason, because I want to be told when things don't work well so I can fix them. The next feedback is Suno is too busy. Is there nothing you can do about it? I can't do anything about that, sorry. So this fella says, a song about floating beyond the dark sky through the stars far away from Earth and then feeling weightless and free. And here's the prompt they got: ambient rock, space rock, vast, awe-filled, transcendent, blah, 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 blah. And their feedback was, I wanted ambient electronica, not ambient rock. He never said anything about Electronica. That's why it didn't do ambient Electronica. And this user said it generated as instrumental without instrumental being selected. Let's test it out. Let's paste it into the style or the simple box. In the prompt, it does say male lead vocal, deep weathered baritone, grim and commanding delivery. So this should not be instrumental. Interesting. Okay, it's not doing the voice. It should definitely be doing the voice. I don't understand. Let's create. Again, I just took out max mode because I never used max mode with the simple tab. I didn't even realize people might be doing that. So for that, all we did was take out max mode. So what I'm starting to see and think and believe is that max mode should not be used in the simple mode thingy box, maybe. This user said just doesn't work is piece of shit. And this user asked for music like we hear on the big stage at Tomorrowland. And they got electronic, big room house, euphoric, anthemic, triumphant, festival ready song. It was like a slow EDM pop style that doesn't match the style you typically hear at Tomorrowland. I don't even know what you would usually hear at Tomorrowland. Okay, so yeah, Calvin Harris, Martin Garrix, David Guetta. Martin Garrix basically invented big room house. And this starts out with big room house. So I'm gonna call user error on this one, but this was before I made the SunoGPT do more research. So if you tried it again, I'm sure it would do better. Suno gives romantic, lame, gay song. Well, I don't know about you, but there's nothing lame about gay. Why so expensive? I don't know. It's $5 a month and you get 10 free prompts. That's pretty good. Suno always seems to have problems with 3/4 measure and the tempo of a slow waltz in the majority of generations. Suno does seem to have a problem with that. If there is anything else you'd like to, if there's anything else you'd like to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm gonna wear a really bad tie every day for a year.